deeply intrigued by fabric and the world of fabric design. I find fabric intriguing not only in the ways it can be looked at and physically felt, but what I love most about it is that fabric really demands to be experienced. Even aside from what we wear, we experience fabric daily, so my love for designing by hand dyeing really stems from my understanding of our need for textiles as we interact with it on a daily basis in one way or another. This video is an ode to the art of shibori dyeing techniques. When it comes to my textile designing practices, I am completely captivated by the art of shibori dyeing. It is an ancient Japanese dyeing technique, also known as resist dyeing, and just really a beautiful art form that I've been blessed to study over the years and have come to know well through design and sharing the art in educational settings. I have such a deep appreciation for this technique as I use it to create patterns onto cloth, to create one-of-a-kind garments that become a part of people's wardrobes and their personal lives. And this definitely includes being a part of my own life as well as my loved ones. I typically dye with the use of indigo, and once I'm finished with the dyeing process, I move on to creating wearable items that are assembled together as an entire look.